A lot of ball possession, two less goal chances for us, goals for sure. Against the team who was very organized in the defense, so very defense playing team from Antwerp. So, yeah, we are not happy. We take only 1 point. Last year we took only one from 6. Yeah, but moving forward, I think it was not a bad game. I think sometimes can do it. We can play a little bit faster. Of course, second half time the pitch is more slow because it was not anymore wet. It's also about this, but also we can create more. Now I have to take a chance. We had in the second half time or and in the last minute with Zakaria can play inside the ball and then maybe we get another chance. But at the end, we want more, not enough. This is very nonsense.